Let's clear something up. Right sizing is not the same thing as downsizing. Downsizing usually means, going smaller, less square footage, fewer rooms, and really just a simpler setup. But right sizing, that's about a better fit. It's asking yourself, what kind of space actually works for how I live now? Right sizing can also include have a component of being smaller, but it's not necessarily the main event. So, for example, you currently have a two-level home, but you may want to do a lateral move, and meaning that move to a one-level home that's easier to navigate, but still has the same square footage. Or you may decide that you want to relocate to be closer to family, medical facilities and care, or you just want a walkable neighborhood. Sometimes it could be as simple as, that big backyard you have. How about trading that big backyard for a no maintenance patio? And then going on the inside of the house, those formal living spaces that you never use anymore, about turning that around and actually going to a home where the entire home is livable. Bottom line is the goal is really to be in alignment. It has nothing to do with getting less space, but to get alignment. Now, you choosing to change where you live and how you live is really all about how your now living style is going to be supported and fit or how you would like to live now, and less to do with how you used to live 20 years ago. I need to say that again, which is I want you to remember that how you're living today is different potentially than how you lived 20 years ago. And why not let that now, your new right size home, fit your needs for today? I hope this information has helped and you found it useful. If so, please share it with others. And if you have any additional questions, feel free to always call, text, DM me because I'm always happy to help.